Good day. I'm Shania Nicole Cecilia, BSMMPT from Bataan Peninsula State University, Balanga.
Hi, I'm Ashley Estamata, BSBA MM3 from PPSU Balanga.
Hi, I'm Marquez Manzanares, BSB MM3D from PPSU Balanga Campus.
Hi, we visited Wood Courier, a new vendor that supplies office furniture. Here's the photo that the large desk that we like.
What's the cost?
They cost 7,900 pesos each, but they are discounted to 5,700 pesos. If we order a minimum of 10 desks, we can sell them at 12,540 pesos.
Sounds good. I'll create the product in our catalog.
Okay, I'll go now.
Well, the product name large desk. Let's look at the purchase and product. In order to create a product, we need to click the create a type, the large desk. Next, at the product type, change the consumable into storable product ordered quantities to delivered quantities on the sales price. Let's put the price amounted 12,500 for customer taxes will be automatically put as 12%, while in the cost amounted 7,980 pesos in product category. Click all the syllable, then in internal reference will be 001 and click the purchase on the other line. Type wood corner to show and create the edit. To show this information and fill up the following information. After that, let's put the logo. Now, let's change the quantity into 1. Price cost 7,990 pesos. Then click add a line to add wood corner again to change the quantity and price. And add picture of this label and click the save and manually. Marcus, I plan to purchase lunch desk. What are your monthly estimates?
Between 9 and 10?
Okay, I'll purchase 10 desks to start with.
Okay, and go ahead.
Let's click in. In vendor, let's add the wood corner. Click the order deadline and change the date into April 25, 2026. Type the large desk. Add 10 per quantity. To automatically change the order information and click send by email. To compose email, send it to the customer, then confirm. Order to paper trace, order and click the print.
Hello, I'm the driver. I will be at your warehouse in 5 minutes. Can you open the loading dock?
Okay, I validate the receipt. Now, let's create a receipt. Click the validate to see the print labels and take a look at this information.
Hi, we've received a bill from the vendor. I put it on your desk. Can you create a check and validate it? No need to pay it right now. The due date is in 2 months.
Let's control the bill. Click the bill to show this information and select the payment terms. And click the end of the following month to create a bill. Go to accounting, click pay, change the journal to bank, then click create payment. Go to accounting again and click the upload in the vendor. Bills and choose upload your own bill.
Hi, Brandon from the Interior Studio. I've seen beautiful wooden desks in your catalog. Can you send a code for trade desk to Brandon at odo.com?
You'll get it by email, right? Now, and in order to create this sales product, let's create new in customer. Type Brandon. Click the order lines and add a product and type large desk. Next, send by email and put customer's email and save. And close, then you will see like what we have done earlier. And send it to your customer or to Brandon. And click the button to confirm.
Next one, can you process and validate delivery orders that are ready to be shipped today? Make sure that the one from Assure Interior is shipped.
Okay, I'll check this right away. Thank you.
Can you validate which sales order we need to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end.
I'm on it. Click to invoice to see the order invoice. To show the number, order date, customer's name, and salesperson. After that, you will see the create invoice. To click the regular invoice, to create draft invoice, then confirm. And click the preview to show your logo with your invoice. After those, click send and pay. Then save, then type your email, as well as the customer's email, and click send and pay. Oh, there's payment notification. Let's register this payment in the invoice. Here, click the customer to click invoices. So, we will see Brandon's record to payment. Click the register payment to see the payment method or the information about customer's payment. Lastly, click the create payment. Can you tell me about the net profit of this year? I need it for the board meeting tomorrow.
Okay, let me check the profit and loss report.
Let's go to analyze profit for reporting. Then click the profit and loss to show the result of income statement. Now, let's download the point of sale. And let's proceed to the next step. Roger, I'd like to sell products in the showroom. Can you give me the list of accessories we can easily sell on the site?
Sure, no problem. Here's the documents with all products, accessories, information. I will email to you the link.
Great. I'll import this file directly in the system. First, let's click configuration. To select the point of sale, configuration, again, to click the settings, scroll down to see the bills. Receipt, and check the box to use the QR code on ticket. Click the same. Next, download the PDF of product. Then, upload. Click the point of sales to select products and click the options to import the records and upload the file to select POS product. Lastly, select import.
I love this LED lamp. I'll buy 3 right away.
Good. With today's special offer, when you buy 2 identical items, you get 20% discount on the tool.
Wait, I pay in cash. Here is $600.
In point of sale, click new session and click open session. Then click the LED lamp and you will get 20% discount. Select the payment and click the number 600 for to the amount to validate, then OK. Now, customer account, to show the cash and change of the customer, then validate. Print the receipt.
Hi, I got a question for you. Can you come over?
We're closing the shop. I closed POS session and bidder email.
Okay.
In close session, click this button at the sign to select the close session, then OK. In point of sale, click the session, then select the open cash clearly to change the amount. In point of sale, click the session, then select the opening cash clearly to change the amount needed, then confirm, and click open session.
Hi, I'll take this white one. Is it possible to get an invoice, please?
Sure. Can I have your name, address, and phone number, please?
Yes, my name is Lorraine Douglas, 3202 Anna Street, Asheville, Tennessee. 28801, phone is 443-6489155. I'll pay cash here is $20.
Let's click the customer to create personal information. Then save. Next, click the order whiteboard, then click the payment to process and pay the receipt.
Hi, I called yesterday and bought 3 LED lamp. I don't need this one. I can return it.
Sure, no problem. When someone wants to return their items, let's do this. Click the price, amounted as 224 pesos with one quantity, then click the payment to validate, to print the receipt. Dave, don't forget to set the closing balance. You'll need to add all the points and bills you have in the register drawer.
Yes, I will confirm.
Cash, click this button at the side to select the close section. And click the dollar sign to change the amount worth 138 pesos. Then click confirm and close register.
Hey, can you tell me which product are the best sellers?
I'll check the orders report for you. Now, let's analyze the POS table in table. In point of sale, click the reporting to select the order, then click the measures to show the product quantity. To create a pie chart, then group by to show the product, and then click. Next, we have the sales services. We need to download the project and timesheets. I'll create the project of the structure, our services. What are the steps involved in designing an office?
It starts with an on-site meeting to check their office and gather information. Then I prepare the design's proposal based on their feedback. I model a floor plan, then a sales rep does the quotation with the new products.
Oh, okay, thanks. I'll create the stages and set an email address, then sign up the contract to correct creation task. Click the project and select new. Then change the name into office design. Then click to create the project, and here type the meeting and add. And type the sign. Then add, type the floor plan. Then the quotation, then type done and add. Lastly, click the project to save.
Hi, Google asked us to design their new office building.
Send a design at your domain name at odoo.com with subject Google NY to create a task for it.
Okay,
To create a task, send an email to the permit company. Have the task for Google NY. The project office design. Can you prioritize it?
Okay, I'll start the task for priority. I will use Now, let's perform the job. Click Office Design, check this icon, and click the schedule on activity. And in activity type, change into meeting and type in summary meeting, then visit Google's office and click open calendar to see it. And in meeting, click the circle button to select in PR. I think it's a mistake to offer our office design services for free if we sell it. Customer will better understand the value of their.
You're right. You can sell this service at $50 per hour. Create the project office assigned service that you use in your quotations. I'll configure it to generate tasks for every sales order.
Okay,
In configure product, click sales and click products. Select new, then change the name to office assigned service. From the product name, then unselect that to be purchased while in product type, change it into service. And voicing policy, change it to based on time sheets. Also, to create an order, change it to task, and in project type, office assigned, then save.
I just confirmed our first quotation for the Jackson Group. We sold an office design service estimated at 20 hours, and the customer logged in and confirmed the order.
Awesome. Check that task has been created on automatically for office.
Okay,
Select sale and select order. Then click the quotation. Then select new. And in customer, type the Jackson Group. And click add the products to type office design service and change the quantity to 20. Then click confirm. Click the task 1 to see the information.
Don't forget to record your time as you can customer
hold on, I'm on the phone. Okay, I'll start and record of the design of the Jackson. Hello,
Thanks, use time being smart.
easy. In timesheet, click the timesheet and start to change the internal to office design. And click pass to select Jackson Room and to describe your activity time. First, call to define your needs, then click stop. Then the information will appear under.
Check. We still have sales order invoice. I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
I generated a draft invoices so you can review them.
Okay, thank you.
Invoice customer, first click sale, then click invoice. To select order, to invoice, click create invoice and make sure if it is a regular invoice and create draft invoice, then choose it. And check the information and everything is correct for sending and printing.
In manufacturing, first, install the manufacturing. Next, install the quality. Next, click the manufacturing. Click the configuration. Click the settings. And check the work orders.
We just finished the plan to manufacture the new table. Can you review that?
Looks good. I'll create more products in the system as well as the bill of materials according to your plan. In manufacturing, to divide the bill of materials, we need to click manufacturing and select the product. Next, click the new to change the product name to table and change the sale price. Click the inventory Click Add a new type and type tabletop. And type table leg. And type walls. And then save. Hi, can you give me a quotation for 100 table tops, for 100 table legs, and for 100 walls?
Sure. Here are also.
Sounds good. I'll send you a purchase order and by email. Okay. To purchase raw material, click Purchase. Then click New and change the vendor name to Only Woods Incorporation. Next, click Add a product and type tabletop. Change the quantity and change the unit price. Type table leg, then change quantity into 400 and unit price to 12. Type both and change the quantity to 400 and unit price to 0.50. Then click confirm. Click confirm order and click send. Purchase order by email. Fill up the information of Only Woods Incorporation and check the information before sending.
Hello, we just received the products from Only Woods Incorporation. There are 400 table legs and 400 bowls, but they only delivered 80 days table tops. Should I validate the receipt?
Yes, confirm the reception with the back order for 20 remaining products. They deliver the remaining products later. To receive products, click Inventory and click to process. And click to see this, to see this, to see the information, and click to validate to see if the information is correct. Ernest, we got all the materials we need to start producing this. Can you manufacture 3 tables for the showroom?
I'm not it.
We manufacture 3 tables, click Operation. To select Manufacturing Orders, click New. Change the product name to table and quantity to 3. Then, save click. Confirm and check information if it's correct before select.
I plan to organize the manufacturing line by creating 2 work centers, assembly station, and painting room. Can we put a table with instruction in each station?
Sounds good like a good idea. I create the routing tables production with through operation assembly and painting from the bill of materials.
Thanks. I created this document to help our workers. Can you upload this worksheet on the assembly operation?
In routines and work center, click the products. To select bills of materials, click the table, click operation, click and add the line, type assembly in operation, and assembly station to work center. Then, click save. And new type painting and operations. And type painting room in work center, then save. And close and save. Then, click assembly in worksheet, select PDF, upload your file, then save. Actually, our routing is set up. You can create manufacturing order for the table and plan the work orders when plan operation becomes available on the table of each workstation.
How does the work center control panel at the same time?
To plan an order, we need to see the work center overview. To create operations, to show manufacturing, orders, then click new. In products, select tables, then save manually. Click the operation again to show work. ERS, then click the assembly station, then click the works instruction, then click product to click open shop floor and select assembly station. Then mark as done. Go to work, go to the back to the operation to see information and mark as done. Click the operations to go work orders to see information.
Hi, we've got 5 customers complaining about when their tables looks like the table stops separates from the leg after a few months.
It's probably related to the base. I will create a quality control to assembly operation to measure the torque. We will ensure that the measure stays between 11 and 15 millimeters. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
To add quality check, in quality overview, click quality control. To show control points, then click new, add a title, and type torque setting. And in product, select table and change the type to measure in control for selection. While in product categories, select all in operation type. Of manufacturing, to show this, then type operation. Select manufacturing, then in reservation method, select manually. In norm, type 13, then change NM into tolerance type 11 to 15. Back to operation, when type M of manufacturing, select manufacturing and type 000. Then save and close. Then in work order operations, select assembly. While worksheet page, type 3 and in the team, select main quality team.
Hi, to post my fiscal year, I need to know the cost of the table being manufactured, including the timing materials.
Okay. Check the cost structure in the bill of materials for theoretical cost. If you want to update it, thank you. To control cost in work, center overview, click products to show the bill materials. Then, click the product, select the table to show it. Then, click action to show the bill overview. To sell online, first, let's download e-commerce. After we install the website to our homepage, we are going to skip and start from scratch. Then, you can see a lot of things here. To click on, we choose the furniture because it fits our company. After that, we make sure that our webpage was published. I'm launching our new website. Any idea that we should put in our homepage?
I like website. You want the power on top customized with an office image as a background. I would like to put some key numbers like 500 customers, 30 to 35 employees, 120 design products, and 8 shops that we can add 3 columns we customize with design and manufacturer.
That sounds good. In our homepage, we are going to add some cover. You can adjust the font placement and color if you want. Then, we are going to add our logo from the top. After that, we will change the background of the sales managers once to a background the office, and you have the 3 options to choose. And the last one fits perfectly on our homepage. After that, we are going to add numbers under the cover. We're just going to edit it out based on the information given to us then. After that, we will add 3 columns and edit it out. Because of the information given lastly, we will edit the contact information of the web page at the very bottom, then to save it.
I love the new website. Can you start selling our new office chairs online?
Okay, and create the product page on the website with a $120 price tag. So, on our web page, click the new. Then the product, we are going to fill up the product name and price, and then save. After that, we are going to add picture of the office chair, then save.
There are no sales for our new office chairs online. Can we do some search engine optimization?
Our target keyword people are looking for on Google with promote tool.
Go.
Okay, so from our website, we are going to site, then optimize SEO. We are going to fill up the title description, and we're going to add some keywords and change the picture of the product, then save it.
The chairs are selling like crazy. Good job. But people are asking for different colors and sizes.
Okay, I will activate the variants feature and configure it on the chair product. What are the options?
They come in four colors: gray, black, white, and purple. And three sizes: small, medium, and large. We can even put a custom embroidery with their names on it.
First, we are going to sales, then configuration, and then settings. We are going to check the variant. After that, go to products, then click the office chair. Then we go to attributes and variant. We are going to add attributes like size and color, and also their values. Then the size, we are going to click the select and the custom value. Then same goes same with the color. Then we have to save them. Our e-commerce is ready. You can test buying your product online.
Sure. On our webpage, we're going to the shop, then click the office chair. I'm going to choose medium size, in color, white, and then add to cart. Then we view our cart and check out. We're going to fill up the information needed for shipping. Then we just need to confirm our order. And that's it. Last month, we did $350,000 in revenue through the website with an average cart size of $250. Can we upsell customer by proposing options?
Yes, let's create a new product warranty that we will set an option of the chair. This warranty has two variants, 3 or 5 years. In our website, we proceed to products, new. We will type warranty as our product name. Then product type was service. And then the sale price was 50 pesos. After that, we go to attributes and variants. We will add duration with a value of 3 years. Then we save it. Then we will go to product, then click the office. Here, click the sales, and then add warranty at available options of your new warranty service.
It will be great to write a news article about it.
Okay, I'll set up a blog on our website and write the first post. Go to website and click new. Then the blog post, we are going to install it. After loading, just click the blog post. Then write a blog. and then the title you want. To save it. After that, you can start edit and write your blog, then we save it. Hi Ashley, I'm setting up the new CRM. Can you send me the Excel spreadsheet with all our current clients?
Hi, here's the list of our ongoing leads. Just remember, the contacts don't exist in the system yet.
Oh, you're right. I select create new values when the error message appears. Go to CRM, click pipeline, import data, then upload the data files. After that, click test, then create values, and last, import.
We're facing an issue. The current leads are not enough for all members of sales team.
Don't worry, I'll generate new leads in the CRM.
Let's generate 10 new leads in the United States, especially in retailing, capital goods, and real estate.
First, go to CRM. Generate leads, type 10 companies. Change country into United States, and type Arizona in states. Then, in the industry type, retailing, healthcare and service, and real estate. Then, click Generate Leads.
I met Carrie Maxwell at the Furniture Expo. She is interested in purchasing 6 desks. She should be marked as a high priority.
Great! I'll schedule a call this afternoon. Go to CRM, then click New, type the company, and type contact RM. Then on opportunity, type RM opportunity. Then type your email and contact. Type $1,320 and click very high priority. Then add. Click show activities. In schedule, click the call and today's date, then save. Hi Marquis, this is from Woods Corner. You visited our booth at the Furniture Expo. I wanted to ask if you are still interested in our desk.
Yes, I'd like a quotation for 6 large desks. I would like them delivered within the month.
Sure, I'll send you a quotation via email. Go to CRM and in sales, my quotation. Then create new, type in customer RM. Then add product, type large desk. In quantity, type 6. And in unit price, type 220. Then send. Quotation, send, then confirm. In log note, type the note, and then log.
Hi, thank you for the quotation. Would you be willing to offer a 10% discount?
We can offer a 5% discount.
Okay, that's wise for me. Please send the revised quotation.
Go to CRM, click configuration, then settings. Then check discount. To check, search the discount, then check the discount, then save. Then click sales. My quotation, then click RM. Then add a 5% discount, then send. Then schedule activity, email, then the due date on May 2. And save.
To better organize the pipeline, we should create a stage called waiting for feedback.
That's a good idea. I'll create the stage and move various opportunity there. Go to CRM, in sales, my pipeline. Then add stage, type, waiting for feedback. Then last, drag carry an opportunity to waiting for feedback.
The quotation looks good. We would like to proceed with the order. Please schedule delivery in 2 weeks.
Great. I'll confirm the order. Go to CRM, then click carry an opportunity. Then click 1. After that, set May 14, 2026 on expected closing. Then click new quotation. Then confirm.
I need the expected revenue report for our meeting.
You can view it using the pivot table in the reporting section. Go to CRM, then click reporting, pipeline, and click measures. Then the expected revenue. Then click the pivot to show the percent.
Thank you for watching!